Sweet potato pone is something that you will find in the Gullah community as well as the Caribbean. It has the texture of a pudding. So I've got my 6 cups of shredded sweet potatoes over here. To this bowl, I'm gonna add a 1/3 cup of light brown sugar, about a 1/4 cup of molasses. We're just gonna eyeball it. Molasses is just gonna give it a earthy flavor. About 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Whisk it up. This is not overly sweet. It's a minimal amount of sweetness. The sweetness is gonna come from the natural sweetness of the sweet potato. I'm gonna crack 3 eggs into this bowl. Whisk together my 3 eggs. I'm gonna add it to my bowl with the sugar and the butter. 1/2 cup of half and half. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. My great-grandmother Nuncy was known to add the zest of an orange to her sweet potato pone, and that's exactly what I do. All right, that's great. I'm gonna juice half of this orange. And now I'm gonna add my spices. I have some ginger, about 1/2 teaspoon of ginger, cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I'm gonna really bring out the natural sweetness in the sweet potatoes and the sugars I use. And I'm just gonna grate some fresh nutmeg. This is the same spices I use in my sweet potato pie, and my grandmother uses the same spices in her sweet potato pie. Whisk it on up. Okay. I'm just gonna fold in the shredded sweet potatoes. All right. And fold it in. Just gonna put my mixture right into a 9x9 casserole dish here that I've sprayed with non-stick cooking spray. Put some foil on top and bake it for about 40 minutes covered, and then uncover it and bake it for an additional 10 minutes so it gets nice and brown on top. I like to add a little eggnog whipped cream. Ooh, that tastes like Christmas.